Your ears can actually detect whether water is hot or cold just by listening to it pour. Hot water creates a higher pitched sound when it hits a surface because it has lower viscosity and flows differently than cold water. The molecules in hot water move faster and create more turbulence, producing distinct acoustic frequencies. Cold water makes a deeper, more muffled sound due to its thicker consistency. This phenomenon happens because temperature changes the physical properties of water, affecting how sound waves travel through it. Next time you're making tea, close your eyes and listen.